Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 3 to the power x is equal to x to the power 9. Okay, let's start. Or 3 to the power x whole to the power 1 over x times 9 is equal to x to the power 9 whole power 1 over x times 9. Or here we can apply this rule: a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So we can write 3 to the power x over x times 9 is equal to x to the power 9 over x times 9. Or here this x cancel out this x and this 9 cancel out this 9, so we can write 3 to the power 1 over 9 is equal to x to the power 1 over x. To find the value of x, we have to make this equation like this: a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, then a is equal to b. So we can write 3 to the power 1 over 9 times 3 over 3 is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Or 3 to the power 1 times 3 it remaining 3 and 9 times 3 it remaining 27 is equal to x over 1 over x. Or here we can write 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 over 27 is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Or 3 to the power 3 it will remaining 27 power 1 to the power 27 is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Here we apply this rule, so x is equal to 27. Let's verify it. X is equal to 27. 3 to the power x is equal to x to the power 9. Or 3x is equal to 27 is equal to 27 to the power 9. 27 we can write 3 times 9 is equal to 27 to the power 9. Here we can write 3 to the power 3 whole power 9 is equal to 27 to the power 9. 3 to the power 3 it's remaining 27 to the power 9 is equal to 27 to the power 9. It is verified. So the value of x is 27. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.